Welcome to the Verdugo Hills High School Library, and we are going to look at how to access our Junior Library Guild books. So from groups, you can click on the Verdugo Hills High School Library and Research Center page, go to Resources on the left tab, and click on the orange ebooks and audiobooks and other digital resources from our library. So these are books that we have purchased or subscribed to, or through vendors that have provided free access to ebooks. Junior Library Guild is one of my favorite vendors, and they have a very strict selection process when selecting books that they provide to schools through various subscriptions. We now have the e-streaming subscription for distance learning. Once you open that page, if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you will see a link, and you just need to click on the link on the page. There's a school login in the middle of the page, but you shouldn't need that. Once you click here, it'll bring you to the Verdugo Hills High School bookshelf. This is a streaming service, so anybody can read any of the books at the same time. You simply choose a book and you can click read. And if I click on read, it will open the book for me to read here. You can also download the Junior Library Guild app and read on the app, again using the username and password or creating your own. If you want your own personal login, you do have to email me to have that created. So you can open any book and multiple people can read the same book at the same time, which is one of the things I like about this streaming service. You can see there's a nice selection of current fiction and nonfiction books. We even have some graphic novels and some audiobooks. In the streaming service, as I said, some books will disappear each month and new books will come in to replace them. So you can look at the days remaining to see how many more days that book has on the list. If you read something and you love it and it leaves the list, but you want other people to read it, please do email me, as there is the possibility of buying individual titles for people to check out just from Verdugo indefinitely. So I hope you enjoy browsing through and looking at some of these top books. Junior Library Guild is known for their selection process, and many of their selections will often go on to win other awards for young adult fiction and nonfiction. If you have any more questions, drop me an email.